Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Venkatesh. I am a DevOps engineer. In this video, we are going to see how to install Helm on your Windows. So right now I have installed Scoop on my laptop. Next we go to here and let install Scoop install Helm. Now you can see I have installed Helm on my laptop. Helm create my chart. So you can see it's created my chart, cd my chart, cd my chart, and here you can see we have Helm installed on our laptop. So you can install Helm using Scoop. So for that you have to install the Scoop. I will give you the Scoop a link. So go to your PowerShell and execute these two commands. Once you have successfully executed, you will get like you are installed Scoop on successfully. Then go to this website. I will give you the link and execute this command Scoop install Helm so that you can able to install Helm easily. Then you can create your first chart using Helm create name of your chart. So once you created, you can go and check what are the stuff in your chart. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this videos helpful, give thumbs up, subscribe my channel, follow for the more videos. Thanks for watching.